Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to the shop. Yeah, still a building site. Need all the walls painted, ceiling painted, lights put in. Well, that's the shop ceiling, got its first coat of paint. I've done a little doodle on the ceiling. I'm not sure, I think I'm just going to cover it over. Yeah, have a look, see what you think. Just kidding. After all that painting, I went home, had a nice, hot, long shower, whilst Emma went to get some KFC. And as I come out the shower, hence I'm wearing my dressing gown, I have to go and rescue her from KFC because she's locked the keys in the car. Good times. Oh, good times.
Several days later.
Hello. That was kind of the 5 days I didn't want. That's right, it's been 5 days since I filmed that scene in the shop because I've been ill. I've had food poisoning. Yeah. Starting to feel on the up now, so fingers crossed I film something for you tomorrow. But I'm going to end today's video, which is really 5 days ago video. Yeah. Sorry. So with that, I'll see you all tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Now it's time to do your job.